Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news for Wednesday, December the 9th, 2015. Today in the news, we have heard today that apparently the Apple TV subscription service is on hold. With the new Apple TV, Apple wanted to actually have a subscription service where you would, get TV some TV channels and some TV shows and stuff like that via the Apple TV by subscribing to a low fee monthly subscription. But apparently, this is on hold as all the different companies, the media companies that were in negotiations with Apple, seem to be really not very happy at the pricing that Apple wants to put on the subscription service, meaning that they don't make the big bucks that they want. So for now, it's on hold, and that could be an issue for the Apple TV, as a lot of that was going on. The Apple TV, the new Apple TV, was kind of pressing on that idea that there would be a subscription service for content. So that could actually make sales of Apple TVs a little less appealing and maybe less interesting than before, as basically what you'll have is a brand new Apple TV that's twice the price of the old Apple TV, if not more, and basically, apart from an app store, doesn't offer much more in media. So we'll see what happens with this. Photo Room with an F is a Windows Store app that is one of the best store apps for professional picture editing, basically. And they've stopped, actually, the company that makes Photo Room stopped the development of this app because they say Microsoft isn't paying. So this is an interesting turn of events. And basically, I didn't know this app at all. And I downloaded it today, and I must say I'll make actually a video on it today. It is quite interesting. So I don't know what happened here, but it seems that Photo Room is saying, well, we haven't got paid, so we're not going to continue working on this new version for Windows 10, technically. So I don't know what's happening there and why Microsoft would have stopped that, but let's hope that things resume and that we get a new version, as this is a very, very nice app for photo editing. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, iOS 9.2 is here and has been updated. I updated my iPhone 5 at 9.2 and it does work well. Basically, 9.2 fixes a few issues that people were complaining, Wi-Fi, battery, and a few other things. But nothing really new in any options or any thing that you can do with your phone, basically, or your tablet. There's nothing really changed as I was going through different menus. But it's there, so if you're having glitches, or even if you're not having glitches, why not update your version to iOS 9.2, available as of today. There was a interesting story on Windows Central that in the past month, Surface sales were higher than Apple's iPad sales. And it's kind of interesting because a lot of people are talking about this, and we don't know where they got that news, but it's not true. It would have been nice if it would have been true, because I thought, wow, that would be nice to see that the Surface actually outsells the iPad. But apparently that it is not at all true. And we're wondering where Windows Central got their news about this, because it's very mysterious, and we have just no idea. Is someone just trying to push Microsoft Surface and they just lied outright, or what is it? The news source for that was kind of a bizarre news source also. But no, unfortunately, it's not true. iPads are outselling Surface. That would have been pretty much surprising if that would have been the case, that Surface would have outsold iPads. Spotify, if you're a Spotify subscriber, Spotify is now thinking of offering some music to paid customers only. So they Spotify is that music streaming service. It's very, very popular. And basically, what they are doing right now is the streaming service. You can stream pretty much everything, even if you're a free subscriber and haven't paid. But now they're thinking that, okay, maybe some streams might be only for paid subscribers. It's something that they need to look at, and I understand because, that costs money. And some streams cost more money than others, depending on the artists that are on there. So I would consider that it's probably normal that there is, some streams that would be available only to paid subscribers, for sure. So, but that would be a change in the model. So we'll see what if that affects Spotify itself, but the subscribers and all. And if you are an Android or a iOS user, it's official. You can now have the Cortana app officially download to your device. So if you want to use Cortana on your Android phone or your iPhone or your Android tablet or your iPad, you are in the United States, very important, it's only available in the United States. You can now download the official Cortana app and have it working on your device. So if you want to have Cortana instead of Siri or Google Voice, just download the app, available today. United States only. So if you're out of the US, unfortunately, it's not available. Yesterday was Microsoft Patch Tuesday, and nothing much. It seems to roll out pretty smoothly. Lots of critical updates there for security. So it's very important to update your machines if you haven't done so already. So go and check your Windows updates. For Windows Vista 7 and 8.1, quite a lot, between 10 and 15 updates depending on the computer and the software you have installed. And on Windows 10, it's more of a big cumulative update, plus a Internet Explorer update and Flash Player update. So check it out. And it brings your Windows 10 version, by the way, to 10.586.29, which is the same version as the Windows Phone version. So that's basically the news we have today for Wednesday, December the 9th, 2015. If you have any comments, questions, problems, maybe a video about a feature you'd like to see, let us know. You like our videos? By subscribing, you'll know when videos are online. And give us thumbs up if you like the videos. Helps us on YouTube. Thank you so much for following us. Hope you enjoyed these news bulletins.